guys, welcome back to my channel for today's recipe, delicious Guyanese curry chicken. So guys, to accomplish this delicious recipe, here are the ingredients you will need: jeera, masala, chopped garlic, parsley, spring onion, and also curry powder, chicken cube seasoning, black pepper, oil, and also Caribbean blend green seasoning, basically a mixture of thyme, pepper, and also potato. So what I have here guys is a pound chicken, thoroughly washed, chopped garlic, green seasoning, black pepper, and also chicken cube seasoning. Do keep in mind I will go ahead and leave a full list of measurement below so you can always check it out. First thing first, you want to go ahead and add your garlic, green seasoning, keep in mind you can always prep your ingredients overnight for better taste and result. Black pepper, cube seasoning. Next you want to go ahead and give it a good mix. So guys, if this is your first time around, please subscribe. So after fully marinated, you want to go ahead and set it aside for at least an hour before you cooked it. As mentioned, you can also prep in advance for better taste and result. So before we go ahead and add our chicken to the pot, here are the ingredients you will need: curry powder, oil, jeera, masala, and also chopped garlic. You want to go ahead and fully cook them before you add your chicken. Adding a bit of oil. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some chopped garlic and just give it a good mix. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my jeera and also my masala. And you want to go ahead and give it a good stir. Next guys, I'm going to go ahead and add my curry powder and also give it a good mix as well. After cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to add my chicken. After adding your chicken, you want to go ahead and give it a good stir. After 5 minutes of cooking, I'm going to add some water. So here we are guys, after 15 minutes of cooking. Next I'm going to go ahead and add some chopped potato and also chopped parsley, spring onions, and just give it a good mix. So guys, as mentioned, I will go ahead and leave a full measurement, also a full list of ingredients below in the description box so you can always check it out. So if this is your first time, please subscribe. So here we are guys, take a look at this delicious curry chicken recipe. I hope you give this recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any question you may have below. So guys, I went ahead and add my potato. Next I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of water. This will ensure that the chicken and potato is fully cooked. So guys, do keep in mind at this point you want to go ahead and taste and adjust for any ingredients you may want to add, such as salt, pepper. So guys, after 25 minutes we are all done. So here we are guys, take a look at my finished dish. Delicious Guyanese curry chicken with potato. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time.